On the 19th of April, 2021, a 27-year-old woman in Lagos vanished from her apartment before sunrise. No forced entry. No struggle. No witnesses. Just her phone on airplane mode. And a glass of water on the table as if she was coming back. But the part that haunts everyone is what her neighbor said. Her boyfriend loved her too much. Not normally. Not sweetly. Not romantically. His love was consuming, overwhelming, territorial. And when investigators dug deeper into their relationship, they realized that love itself might have been the very thing that made her disappear. Title: He loved her too much. And that's exactly what made her disappear. Her name was Amarachi Nonko, a rising fashion designer from Surale with a smile that made people soften instantly.